Okay guys, Mercedes GLE 350 2023. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the driver's seat belt. As you can see, I already removed all the moldings from the door and the center one. Now we want to remove these plugs here. Now we want to remove this torque bolts. It's T45 and this one here. As you guys can see, I already removed that. Now we're gonna go to the front and we're gonna remove this cover here. As you can see, I already removed the cover. Now we want to remove this plug here and then the T45 bolt. We're gonna put it in place. So I have the new seatbelt here. So now we're gonna put it in place. Now we're gonna put the bolts in place. So let me tie that. Now we're gonna put this part here. Then we're gonna put this here together. And we're gonna put this in place here. So now we're gonna connect the plug. So now we're gonna put this cover in place. As you can see, I already put all this here from the front seat belt. Now we're gonna put this bottom cover on the seat belt, driver's side. As you can see, I already put the bottom piece in place. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the one in the top. So let me do that. If you guys like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. That's it, and thanks for watching.